Hello, and welcome to SwapSpace, a crypto exchange aggregator that compares offers from more than 45 liquidity providers, including both centralized and decentralized exchanges. With thousands of supported cryptocurrencies and no SwapSpace markup, we help you find competitive exchange rates in one place. In this video, you'll learn how to swap crypto in just a few simple steps. Let's say you want to exchange Ethereum for Bitcoin. In the first step, select ETH in the You Send section and BTC in the You Get section. You can choose them from the drop-down lists or use the search bar. Simply start typing the name or ticker of the cryptocurrency. Next, enter the amount of Ethereum you'd like to exchange. You'll instantly see an estimated amount of Bitcoin you can receive. Make sure your amount meets the minimum and maximum limits shown on the screen, as these may vary by provider. Then, click the View Offers button. You'll now see available offers for the ETH to BTC pair, sorted by relevance, rate, and estimated processing time. SwapSpace supports both fixed and floating rates. You can also filter offers by type to view all available options, private swap routes, or DEX offers only. Use the filters on the left to narrow down the results and find the option that works best for you. Once you've chosen an offer, click Exchange to continue. In step 2, enter your Bitcoin wallet address in the recipient field. If needed, you can also provide a refund address for your Ethereum. You can also click Connect Wallet to link a compatible wallet and speed up the process. Before continuing, carefully review all details. Blockchain transactions are irreversible, and incorrect information may result in lost funds. If everything looks correct, click Next. In step 3, send your ETH to the deposit address displayed on the screen. You can copy the address or scan the QR code. If your wallet supports it, you can also connect it directly. Once the deposit is received by our partner, the swap will begin automatically. In the final step, simply wait for the Bitcoin to arrive in your wallet. Processing times vary depending on the provider and network conditions. Use the swap tracker to monitor the status of your transaction and contact our support team if you need any assistance. Once the Bitcoin has been sent, the status will change to completed. Click Show Details to view the transaction hash and additional information about your swap. That's it. Your ETH to BTC swap is complete. Thanks for watching. We hope this guide helped you get started with SwapSpace. See you on your next swap.